What's up guys? Good morning, good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon. Good afternoon guys, this is pinkjaytv. Welcome back to my channel. Today is Wednesday. We're going to talk about this bike. Basically, hindi naman to sa akin, pinagawa lang sa akin. Nire-bleed ko lang a while ago. So, quick review lang on this bike. This bike is Hardtail. Actually, it's my first time having this bike, Ragley Mmmbop. I don't know how to pronounce it, but based on this, you have Mmmbop. So, it's a Ragley frame. It's an alloy frame na ang size na is small. So, 15 inches na alloy frame. Ang brand is Ragley. I don't know what year is this, but I have to check it out. Maybe this is 2019. So, you can see, ang ganda ng frame. Gusto ko lang yung review kasi naganda na sa frame. Tapos medyo magaan siya in a sense kasi nga alloy na siya, made of alloy, and then the components are all alloy. So it's very lightweight. Maybe the weight of this is around 12 to 13 kg. I'm not sure, but binuhat ko lang siya a while ago kasi nga ginawa ko siya, ni-rebuild ko siya, and then I just want to do a quick review on this bike. So makikita nyo yung frame niya, it's more on aggressive type of bike. Hindi siya yung pang road bike na Ragley, which is very common for Ragley frame. It's more of the same as the Mmmbop na Scout na frame. Aggressive siya na frame, and then we have here pagkakagawa ng frame, yung color combination ng frame, napakaganda. We have red and I don't know what's the color of this. And then the model is Mmmbop. It's made of Ragley. If I'm not mistaken, Ragley is made in the USA. So it's a USA brand, but the frame is made in Taiwan. Makikita niyo sa part na to, lagi dito sa ilalim, made in Taiwan. And then, ibigay ko lang sa inyo ano yung mga parts na meron dito. Again, this is full alloy. There's no carbon on it. So, makikita niyo sa part na to, ng group set na. Ito, it's running on a 1142, which is this part. 1142 na cassette from 11 teeth to 42, meaning this is the biggest one. 42 teeth na. This is an XT cassette, and then the RD is also cassette. The model of this is M6000, if I'm not mistaken. And then, no, it's not M8000. M8000 na XT na 11 speed, 1142 ang cassette size. And then we have here on this part, the crank is the Aura XT na pang 11 speed also, and running on absolute black na oval chain ring. Kita niyo dito sa part na to. Alright, so makikita niyo dito, we have a 32 teeth. Makikita dito sa part na to guys. Ipapakita ko sa inyo. Ito yung crankset niya na ang chain ring niya is 34 teeth na absolute black na oval chain ring. The reason why people changing from circle chain ring to oval chain ring is that according to them it's more effective or more efficient when it comes to uphill and more of yung, if I'm mistaken, the speed will be like it will increase, if I'm not mistaken. That's what I've heard. Pero hindi ko pa na-try makagamit ng oval chain ring, but I'm using the 34 teeth na circle na chain ring. So makikita nyo dito sa part na to, ito yung crankset nya XT, and then you have the absolute black na chain ring na 34 teeth, and then this part which is the RT, it's XT M8000, cassette is 1142 na cassette, and then the chain is KMC, this part, yan. I don't know if you can see it, but it's KMC na 11 speed. So makikita niyo dito sa part na to, na banggit ko na yung group set, and then the crank set. And for the wheel set, we have here the for the hub. We start with the hub. The hub niya is 315 straight pull. If I'm not mistaken, this is 36 teeth. Now, it is the original na stock na 350 DT Swiss 350 hub, which is according to them, you can include the engagement point into 56. You just need to buy the conversion kit, which is around $120 if I'm not mistaken. That's what I've heard. And then from yung rim naman niya is it's running on this part, DT Swiss na EX511, running on 27.5 na rim. And then I'm not sure if this is tubeless. It's not converted yet into tubeless, but seems okay naman. As for the tire, we have here 27.5 by 2.35 na ang model niya is Ardent Race na Maxxis tubeless ready, 3C max speed, Evo protection, and then yun yung sa likod. And then the front side is we have the same wheel set as well. So we have the 350 DT Swiss 350 na straight pull na hub, and then we have the Ardent Race same specs, same configuration, 27.5 by 2.35 na tires, and for the rotor we have the Shimano Ice-Tech na 180 yung laki, and then the brake set niya is parehong XT na M8000 na brake set, 2 pots with oil slick na bolt. Nakikita niyo yung support na to. Yan, 2 pots. And then this is the rotor, Shimano Ice-Tech, 180 yung laki. Yan. At sa likod, same din. Makikita nyo dito sa likod, it's running on Shimano XT na 2 pots na brake set. And then we have here the rotor. Yung rotor niya sa likod is 160 mm if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it's 160 and 180 yung rotor niya. Sa harap is 180, and then the likod is 160 mm na rotor. Alright, and then for the cockpit side, we have here the Deore brake set. As I informed you a while ago, the Deore XT Shimano Deore XT na brake, as you can see here. And then we have here XT, and then you have the Shimano XT 11 speed na Dynasis 2 na shifter. Eto, this part, this side. Yan. And then for the handlebar, we have the Mmmbop Horizon na carbon. Makikita nyo, ayan o, carbon siya. Yan. Mmmbop Horizon na carbon, if I'm not mistaken, this is 31.8 na clamp size, and then yung haba niya is 780. Ito yung haba nung handlebar, and then the stem is a Mmmbop also, Mmmbop Horizon, ng haba niya is 35 mm, ang clamp size niya is 31.8 mm, and then we have here the Mmmbop na headset, and then we have the ODI grip. Yan, ODI grip. And then the next is the manitou fork na ang travel nito, if I'm mistaken, is 150 mm ang travel niya from here to this part. So manitou na machete na boost, and then I think that's all lang. Yun lang yung nakalagay dito sa bike na to. It's a hardtail na ang frame niya is boost frame, Ragley Mmmbop. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's a Ragley. Yan. And then we have here the Brand X na dropper post. This part, ito Brand X dropper post. And travel natin is 150 or 125. This part to this part. And the saddle niya is WTB Koda. Yan. WTB na Koda. So, ayan yan yung shifter niya for your dropper post. Brand X, which is the stock one. And then cranksets, the pedal is fire iron with crank boot. I'm not sure if it's a race face. Hindi siya race face. So, nabili lang siguro sa Shopee. That's all lang. Pinakita ko lang yung frame na to. Nagandahan kasi ako masyado. Ang ganda ng frame, ang ganda ng pagkaka-build. If I'm not mistaken, this was bought around $2,500. It would cost you around, I don't know, you just need to convert it from times 35 pesos. So, yun yung presyo niya na nabili niya ng second hand. So, ito yung ginawa ko today. Blinid ko lang yung rear na brake kasi nga medyo malalim na siya. But eventually, I've noticed na mayroong problema dun sa medyo manipis yung what do you call this one? The brake pad, kaya medyo mas lumambot na. So, but anyway, the bleed is already done. So, ipinakita ko lang guys yung tsura na itong bike na to. Just yan na yan. Actually, yun lang. Pinakita ko lang, nagandang ko lang kasi dito sa frame na to. Pinaggawa lang sa akin to kanina lang. Blinig ko yung likod ng brake kasi malalim na siya. Pero yung brake pad medyo manipis. So, I'm just gonna inform the client about it. And then, yun lang. Pinakita ko lang kung ano yung anong mga parts na nakalagay dito. I have to correct myself. This is not a full alloy na build. But there is a carbon na component. This is yung handle. The rest is alloy. Pero, ganun pa man din. Maganda na yung pagkakagawa. Maganda na yung pagkakabuild. It's a nice bike. Color combination is good. And the parts is nice. It's a XT components. All the crankset, loop set, brake set, everything is XT na M8000 series. And then the rest, it's for the wheel set and the hub, it's a DT Swiss brand. For the front and the back. As for the rotors, we have a 180 configuration, a Shimano I-Tech for the front, and we have 160mm for the rear. Shimano I-Tech as well. So I think nabanggit ko na lahat. ODI grip, handlebar, horizon, proof na stem as well, 35mm haba, and then 31.8 clamp size. And then the only difference is the crankset or the chain ring na it's running on an absolute black na 3014 na oval chain. This is very nice according to them, but I haven't tried it yet. Yun nga guys, nabanggit ko na yung mga parts nito. Napakaganda, napakaayos, napakalinis. Hindi masyadong gamit kasi ginagamit to for grab deliveries. So don't be all again. This is again pinkjaytv. Mabuhay tayong lahat. Please like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel. Also, please don't forget to click the notification bell button para updated kayo sa mga susunod na mga videos na lalabas. So don't be all again. This is pinkjaytv signing off. Mabuhay tayong lahat.